I'm here at Alliance Française Bhopal, and we have been in Bhopal for the last 35 years. So, one of our most important missions for Alliance Française is to promote women and women artists. So, for the International Day for Women, we have commissioned a young, interesting Gond artist, a young girl by the name of Roshni Vyam, and she has actually depicted her experiences of the metro in Paris and her experiences as an artist in India on the walls of our institute.
In 2017, I was invited in France by French Embassy to work on a book called Over and Underground. It was a collaborative project between 4 women. It was such a wonderful project for me. I'm talking about this experience because my 3 other artworks which I have done at Alliance Française Bhopal, it relates to this experience. So, if I talk about my first wall art, which I can say this is my own portrait. So once what happened, I went to Indian neighborhood in Paris. There I was seeing all those shops, but I was also imagining India. So this is how I try to show one eye open and one eye closed on my portrait, so that I can show how I was seeing and how I was imagining. On my second artwork, I was trying to show equality and also try to show the architectural point of view. So in that artwork, you would see little Eiffel Tower also, and then stairs of Gohar Mahal. And there you can see 2 faces. I painted in black, so you want to find who is French and who is Indian. So for me, everybody is same. In my third art, I was trying to show my journey of metros in Paris, and also Eiffel Tower and the beautiful garden which has in front of Eiffel Tower. So it was really inspiring for me, and then I inspired with many things there. So what I wanted to relate this art with nature. Since I was already working with nature theme and buildings theme, so I tried to depict that my own experiences. This thing reminds me of one question from one of my friend saying why are you depicting your portrait everywhere? Because there is one woman on my third art, of course. So at last he said, are you very important to yourself? And then I suddenly answered him saying that yes, of course I feel by myself really important. And not only this, but all the women are important, whether they are artists or not, they are really important. I would like to thank Alliance Française Bhopal, Institut Français, French Embassy, and all those people who helped me wholeheartedly. Thank you and happy Women's Day!